How to subscribe to Spotify Premium on iPhone. As you may know, Spotify users with premium access can experience uninterrupted ad-free music. Spotify provides you with a variety of options. Firstly, open your Chrome browser in your iPhone device and go to spotify.com. Once you're in, you're going to have to log into your Spotify account, or you can sign up and create one if you don't have it. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to this page right here. Click on the top right settings button, and once you're in, you're going to have to view account. Now once that is done, you are further going to click on to manage your plan. Once you're in, click on the join premium and you'll be provided with a list of subscription plans. You may choose any subscription plan that you like and you will be billed accordingly. Now all you have to do is fill out your card details as shown on the screen and simply click on the Buy Now option. And that's it. This is how you can subscribe to a Spotify Premium on iPhone. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.